Hello and welcome to Professional English Module 6. This module deals with writing meeting summaries and using keywords and phrases that help you remember the important points of a meeting. By the time you finish this module, you should be able to participate in a business meeting as an active listener, write professional business meeting summaries, and use the summaries to help you organize your work tasks. This module consists of 3 lessons. In the first lesson, you will watch a video of 2 people talking about a meeting they recently attended and writing a meeting summary. You will then test your knowledge of some keywords and phrases. In the second lesson, you will watch a video or listen to a podcast of a business development coach as she discusses how to write meeting summaries. In the third lesson, we will take a look at some tips for taking effective notes during a meeting so we can write better meeting summaries after the meeting.